Currently at IKEA, and we are going to be getting this chair. I really thought they had like a polka dot fabric for that, but if not, I'm probably just gonna end up getting a white one. I hope you all are having the best Sunday, even though it is Monday for me today. I'm sorry I ended the last vlog so abruptly, y'all. I was exhausted by the end of the week last week, and I ended up still working on Saturday and Sunday, but sometimes I just end up doing computer work, and so I was just working behind the scenes. And then on Sunday, I tried to take a little bit of a break, but I ended up kind of trying to find new items to buy for the boutique. So I try to take a rest on the weekend, but sometimes I don't. I still had orders to pack because so many of you still ordered. So today I will be going live and trying to finish up the remainder of the orders. We have orders behind me that will be going to the post today as well, so I'm really excited about that. Thank y'all so much for shopping the drop. I'm so excited that y'all love everything. So today I already did some ordering for the boutique earlier, and I haven't eaten anything. I know my last vlog I didn't show me like aesthetically eating anything. That's because I was probably standing in a corner somewhere eating what I made. I love the way this looks, but I want to add a locket in the middle instead of this little rose charm, and I'm still trying to revamp the charm bar. So that is what I'm going to do. I hope you all are having the best, most productive day, and let's get to work. Okay, go. So cute. Got in the mail our vintage teddy sweater. We're restocking this one. This one was a favorite. Y'all love this one so much. It's our strawberry milk sweater, and it is just like pink and white. Isn't it so adorable? Somehow our cinnamon sugar teddy sold out, which is awesome. So more on the way. So if you wanted that teddy bear keychain, if you wanted that specific one, just stay tuned because more on the way. Okay, here we go. Our next order. Crazy, you're gonna love it. You are going to love it. That's a little, it's pink though. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, y'all. Shanika, thank you so much for your order. You are going to love. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm like checking the alerts every. Wait. Okay. Happy Wednesday, cuties. Wait, I'm on dry lips. I literally just got out the shower, just finished my skincare. And I don't know if I'm gonna do makeup today, but I'm so happy my hair's done. Yesterday I actually didn't get much vlog footage at all because my hair was a mess. Usually like every 2 weeks I like to refresh my hair, wash my extensions. Yeah, it's like literally something that I dread, but something that I'm always so thankful that I do. Yesterday I also concentrated on ordering a lot of new things for the boutique. I still have so much that I need to drop behind me that I haven't, but the thing with with running the boutique, I always need to be like a few steps ahead. Oh yay, okay. This is a manufacturer just now, and I was just asking them. I like to follow up with them and ask them like when are things shipping, and I just like to have really good communication. Thank you so much. This one done. Let's see. We are dropping our adorable Genie tote. I called it the Genie tote because it is a full blue jean bag, but it has these adorable bow hearts on the bows on them that have a little heart in the middle, which is perfect for our logo. So y'all, I love the bows on it, and then inside of the bows it has like little hearts. It's so cute, pouchy, and it's really cozy, and it does have a pocket right here that you can put things in. I love when totes have a pocket and it has our branding on it, which I love. Stuff this thing, you can use it for groceries, you can use it for a gym bag, which when I go back to my workout classes, I will be taking this with me. I just think this is just so cozy, and you just throw it on. I'm so happy with how everything is coming together and looking in the boutique. I have so many things that are on the way. I think I showed y'all these adorable little books. Got a new vlog camera. So we got a Sony, I don't even know what this one is called, but I have seen many vloggers use it. As y'all know, I'm an OG YouTuber, so it looks like it's doing like a blurring effect, and I'm not mad at it because a lot of times I come on here with no makeup on. The camera, I will put the specs down below, and then I also got the gimbal or the tripod because yeah, we're in our vlogging era. I'm so excited because honestly, my other camera is a professional, more so a professional camera, and it is like really heavy, and I want to be really careful with it and all that. But this one I can put in my purse and it'll fit in my purse comfortably. Yeah, so I got a little lens cap, and I think this is going to be so perfect for just making sure I'm getting all the content that I need. So yay. And the angle seems to be like really wide, like making a little ad on Canva for my launch tomorrow. I want to get this on to all the socials. I'm just trying to, I wanted to do like a 6-box type situation, but I need to make it even. So yeah, I'm about to play with this. And oh, I can zoom too. Oh, that's nice. Am I supposed to be getting another package? That's why I just texted me and said my package is delayed, but Happy Friday, y'all. Okay, we got our new camera. I'm so excited. I am doing my makeup. I'm a little stuffy because last night we had tacos and I decided to have corn tortilla and I know better. So I'm finally clearing up. Literally, like, as I've gotten older, my body has decided to let me know that it doesn't like corn, it doesn't like gluten, and it does not like dairy. I knew it didn't like dairy, but now I can't really have the other stuff as well, or I will have a stuffy nose the next morning. And oh my gosh, it is like, I hope this quality is good. I haven't imported any of the footage just yet, but I'm getting ready because today is another drop day and I am getting ready to take pictures in our earrings. It's only earrings, so I was thinking I could do like some curly like little pieces in the front, put my hair in a ponytail, and then have my, like, obviously like curl it, make it look better, and then have my earrings in and just take pictures from the side. I did get some mascara, which I'm really excited about. And I just am like not wanting to buy any makeup right now. So we got some good old-fashioned colossal. I think I'm going to finish up my makeup and then we are going to take these pictures and then I'm going to get the site ready. I put the release for tonight at 7 p.m. just so that I'm not stressed. Last week I put our drop at 10 a.m. and honestly, like, it's so hard to do it in the morning sometimes, and it's just a lot more relaxed when it's in the evening. So make sure to go to the site and check out our Valentine's Day stuff before it's all gone, because it is selling out and I'm so excited that y'all are loving everything. There's a mic on here, which is really cool. It's like a little boom at the top, so I wonder if the audio is better. I am gonna still use my big camera though, because I just love the aesthetic shots that I get with that. But for I haven't been vlogging when I leave the house because there's absolutely no way that I'm taking that big huge camera. It's nowhere for me to put it, but this one I can just throw in my purse and it's very easy to take with me. So now you guys can come with me. I did film some shots of me at IKEA on my phone, but I just really don't like using my phone when I am vlogging because honestly we're already struggling for space. This is our adorable tote bag that's dropping today. It has our branding on the inside. I'm so excited about that. And like I said, I was using it. I had my little makeup case in there and I put my powder in just for like aesthetic purposes, but I need it, so I was like, let me go get that. But almost out of all of my makeup, y'all. It's like, how these clips are gonna look. I dropped my mascara on this shirt and honestly, like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that out. Oh well, but I think the makeup looks pretty decent. And then I did my hair in just like this ponytail. I have no idea what it looks like in the back, but it feels like it looks cute. And then I just did the front like this because I'm just basically gonna change my earrings and get like a little gif, and so I can post on all the socials to show like how big some of the earrings are, because like especially like the Buy Me Chocolates heart earrings, they are really fashionable, but they're quite big. So I want everyone to kind of know how big everything is. So I actually like my hair like this. Let's see how it looks in this video, but if it's cute, then maybe I'll start like wearing my hair like this little sassy ponytail, especially when I have earrings on. All right. It's the end of the night. I am exhausted. I really wanted to go live tonight, but I have literally just been so stuffy today. I just feel like I need to just take a shower and maybe just do some like work on the computer tonight. I'm a little sad because my shirt, oh, we just got an order. Thank you. You guys, I wasted mascara on my shirt and I have no idea if I can get it out. My sister said that I can use a tie pin. I don't know. I don't want the shirt to be ruined. But I did get a box of inventory today and I'm supposed to get some more deliveries tomorrow. So you guys just stay tuned. I'm probably gonna try and get some more footage tomorrow because I just don't feel like I got that much footage for this week's vlog, and I'm really trying to get like at least 20 minutes. Thank you, Jess, for your order. I will be probably packing orders either tomorrow or Sunday. I might do a Sunday vlog, but sorry my lips are dry. Thank you, cutie, so much for your orders, y'all. Wow, this vlog ended up being all over the place, y'all, and I feel like I barely really displayed everything that I wanted to show in this vlog. Unfortunately, the last few of my clips I ended up filming in slow motion somehow. I have no idea how to work this new camera yet, but better luck next week. This is real behind the scenes, y'all. I don't always look the best while filming these, but I do always try to show you all what I am doing on a day-to-day with Reallycuteco. It's so much work, but I love it so much, and I'm so happy that you all are enjoying the vlogs. Don't forget, we do post vlogs every Sunday. There may not be a vlog exactly at 6 o'clock on Sunday because today is late, but I will be posting every single week on Sundays a new vlog. Hope you all enjoyed this one, and I will see you next week.